land is completely wooded. It is crossed by a stream and borders a lake. We chose to make a low-rise building, mostly one-story, whose sinuous shape is guided by the nature that surrounds it. The building itself folds, opens and tightens like a river digging its bed. Upon entering, an imposing piece of furniture made of hickory wood welcomes us. Its shape offers a place to sit and storage for clothing. This then directs us to the living area, a large and bright space that ends in a cantilevered. On the south side, the outer wall disappears and becomes a large glass opening onto the forest. The materials used for the surfaces are clean and simple, white walls and polished concrete floors that contrast with the wilderness outside and let the surrounding nature express itself. The large open space also houses 3 wooden objects, pieces of furniture arranged on an axis that invites us into a sequence of spaces that form the living area. The cabinet of the entry hall also acts as a screen, protecting the more private area of the bedrooms. Behind this screen, stairs lead to the reading room, a quiet, secluded, wood-paneled space on the green roof. From this vantage point, perched on the roof, the building appears to blend into the natural surroundings.